Hello everyone. We the students of Kendra Vidyalaya Gauri class 9. We made a model on the occasion of Viksit Bharat. Our theme is Atmanirbhar Bharat. Myself Neeraj.
Myself Meetu. Myself Harika.
Myself Sadat. Myself Priyanshu.
Our project title is Pizza Electric Energy in the Smart Street Lights. A step towards the Viksit Bharat. Our subtitle is Harnessing the Energy from the Footsteps and the Vehicle Movement.
Streetlight consumes a large amount of electricity. Need for innovative and remarkable solution. Piezoelectric effect offers a clean and effective solution.
What is piezoelectricity? The ability of a certain material to generate the electricity is known as piezoelectricity. In this model, we used the piezoelectric sensor in the footpaths. When the person walks on it, the pressure will be applied and the electricity will produce.
How it works in the street lights. So the piezoelectronic tiles are installed in the roads and the pavements. So when anyone passes through it or the vehicle passes, it stores the electricity. Further, this stored electricity is passed on a battery or a capacitor. So this stored electricity will be used in the smart street lights.
Advantages of piezoelectricity. Renewable and clean source of energy. We uses sustainable and environmentally friendly energy. Next, it reduces electricity cost and it also lowers the expenses on electricity. Utilizes everyday movement efficiently. It uses everyday activities and motion. Enhances smart city infrastructure. It also helps in the development of technology and infrastructure in smart cities. Supports Viksit Bharat vision of sustainability.
High installation cost, limited power output and under heavy loaded need for effective energy storage system. Piezoelectric energy is an innovative step towards smart self-sustaining infrastructure with the vision of Viksit Bharat, a modern energy independent.
Now we shall see the demo of this model. So as you can see here, some are coins-like structure. So these are called the piezoelectronic tiles. As someone walks on these piezoelectronic tiles, the energy will be stored in the lithium batteries. And here pre-installed tiles have been settled. So when the car moves on this road, automatically the energy will store in the batteries. So as we see, it is showing morning. The two lights are indicating it is morning. So the street lights are not on. If there is night, the street light will automatically on. These can help in the sustainability of the energy usage. Thank you.